Some vehicles come with curved or bulged displays. And while they look premium, they also make screen guard installation a challenge. Traditional tempered glass doesn't settle properly on these surfaces. It leaves bubbles, lifts from the edges, and never fits perfectly. That's exactly why we use a TPU film along with our special application spray. Let's begin the installation. First, clean the screen thoroughly using the alcohol wipe provided. Remove all fingerprints, dust, and smudges. A clean surface is essential for a perfect finish. Next, spray a light mist of the solution on the screen. Don't overuse it, just enough for the protector to move freely. Peel off the backing layer and apply a bit of spray on the adhesive side as well. Now place the TPU film onto the screen and start adjusting it gently. The spray helps the protector float, so take your time aligning it perfectly with the edges and curves. Once aligned, use the microfiber cloth to slowly push out the liquid from the center toward the edges. Work in small, steady strokes. The idea is to let the TPU settle naturally into the curved shape. A few tiny micro bubbles or moisture spots may remain, and that's completely normal. TPU films self-heal and settle fully within 24 to 48 hours, leaving a clean, clear, bubble-free finish. Lastly, peel off only the edge sticker from the TPU protective layer. Do not remove the TPU film itself. And that's it. Your curved display is now fully protected with a flexible, shock-absorbing TPU screen guard that hugs every contour perfectly.